Assalamu alaikum. Myself Muhammad Shahnawaz Khan, branch mechanical second year. My roll number is 1605187360004. Subject name Applied Thermodynamics. My college name is ISL Engineering College. And my topic is intercooler. An intercooler is a simple heat exchange in which heat is removed from the air. Compression. The working of intercooler: cooling water passes through the tubes and air circulates over the tube through a system of bubbles. The working of intercooler: cooling water passes through the tubes and air circulates over the tube through a system of bubbles. Intercooler is mounted horizontally between the cylinder. The air after compression in the first state passes through an intercooler where it is cooled to initial section temperature. Then it is passed through the next high pressure cylinder and compressed. And what is telling? This diagram shows that air in, air out, coolant out, tube plate in cover. This is battle, this is tube, this is also tube, this is coolant in water. Intercooler diagram this is. And the easy method of intercooler is a simple heat exchange in which heat is removed from the air compression, and the intercooler is mounted horizontally. Between the cylinder and the air is compression in the first state. The air is compression at the first state of an intercooler where it is cooled into initial section temperature. And then it is passes through the next high pressure of cylinder and compression. And this next topic is multi-stage compressor. The compressor of air in a single state has many disadvantages. The compressor of air in single state has many disadvantages, and it is used in limited where low delivery pressure is required. Multi-stage compressor is more efficient and mostly employed for rising high pressure. Multi-stage compressor is more efficient and mostly employed for rising high pressure. Multi-stage compressor offer the following data, and the multi-stage compressor offer the following advantages. It provide a facility to install an intercooler between the state. What it is providing? It providing a facility to install an intercooler between the states. And next point, less power is required to deliver the same quantity of air. And the mechanical balance of machine is better. And in this point, the mechanical balance of the machine is better. And next, fourth point, better lubrication due to low temperature. In this, better lubrication is there. Better lubrication due to low temperature. And fifth point, in each stage the pressure range may be kept within a desired limit. And this last point, in each stage the pressure range may be kept in a desired limit. And this was a problem of two-stage air compressor. Question: in a two-stage air compressor, the pressure are atmospheric 1 bar, intercooler 9 bar, delivery 30 bar. Assume complete intercooling to the original temperature of 300 Kelvin and compression follow the law PB 1.5. Find the work done in compressing 1 kg of air. Take R equals to 0.287 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. And this is the solution. P1 is 1 bar. 1 into bar value is 10 to the power of n by m square. 1 into 10 to the power of n by m square. Then we 1 into 10 to the power of 2 into 10 to the power of 3 n by m square. P1 equals to 100 Kelvin Newton per meter square. P2 equals to 9 bar. P2 equals to 900 Kelvin Newton per meter square. P3 equals to 30 bar. P3 equals to 3000 Kelvin Newton per meter square. M equals to 1 kg. As in question give R equals to 0.287 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. T1 temperature equals to 300 Kelvin. Temperature equals to 300 Kelvin and n equals to 1.5. Here is the formula of work done. Work done equals to n by n minus 1 mRT P2 by P1 whole power of n minus 1 by n plus P3 by P2 whole power of n minus 1 by n minus 2 equals to, you will substitute these values in this formula. 1.5 by 1.5 minus 1 into 0.287 into 300 into 900 by 100 whole to the power of 1.5 minus 1 by 1.5 plus 3000 by 900 whole to the power of 1.5 minus 1 by 1.5 minus 2. And as we calculate this, the answer will get work done is equals to 406.53 kilojoules. And the problem is